Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to add comments to your Wix website and encourage more interaction from your visitors, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a Facebook comment section to your Wix site, and you'll be able to open up a lively space for feedback and conversation right on your web pages. It's super straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can have it set up today. All right, let's dive in. First things first, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is like the mission control for everything on your site. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to sign in. Once you're in the editor, you should see your site layout just waiting for some upgrades. Don't worry if Wix looks a little busy at first. With so many customization options, it can feel overwhelming, but we'll only be focusing on a few simple steps here. Now, let's add a new section to your page. You might be wondering, why do I need a separate section? A section helps you organize your content and make sure your comments area stands out, giving your visitors an obvious spot to jump into the discussion without crowding other parts of your site. In the Wix editor, look for the button that says Add Section. It usually floats near the left sidebar. Click it, and you'll see options for all kinds of sections. About, contact, testimonials. But for this case, choose a blank section. This way, you have a clean slate to add your comments feature. With the new section in place, it's time to add some elements. Elements are basically the building blocks of your website: text, images, videos, buttons, and in our case, social features. On your left menu, click Add Elements. Wix will show you a panel with different categories. At first glance, you might be searching for comments or interactions, but what we want is tucked under the social category. This organizes all the tools that connect your site with popular social platforms and lets your visitors join the conversation with their own accounts. Under Social, search for the Facebook Comment plugin. This powerful little tool lets users leave comments linked to their Facebook profiles, making it easy for them to engage without needing to create a new account just for your site. As you select the Facebook comment element, Wix will automatically place it into your new section. You can drag it around to adjust the placement, resize it to fit your page's look, and even tweak its settings if you like. For example, controlling how many comments display, or customizing how the plugin blends into your site design. And that's it. You've just added a comments section to your Wix website, powered by Facebook. Your visitors can now respond to your posts, share feedback, ask questions, and connect with each other. It's a simple addition, but it helps build a real sense of community, which can make a huge difference, whether you're running a blog, promoting your business, or sharing your passion with the world. If you're wondering about moderation or want to style your comments area further, Wix offers plenty of settings you can explore, but for most folks, this is all you need to get started and encourage some great discussions. All right, give yourself a pat on the back because you've just made your site more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want tips for customizing your comments section further, drop them in the comments below. I check and respond regularly. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.